Hey guys, welcome to our page, Tika and the Family. I'm Tika, Auntie Tika.
I'm Pooh, Andre, the big brother.
Go Jaquela.
Oh, I'm Jaquela, aka
Oh, Woody, aka Torn.
Yes, sir. So as you can see, we went to Buffalo Wild Wings and got a bunch of chicken. This one is salt and pepper, Woody. I just got
salt
that
and
one.
vinegar.
Yeah, salt and vinegar.
A lot of chicken.
Yes, a lot of chicken. This
Not
one
blue
is
cheese for me,
yes, he likes blue cheese.
because I don't eat ranch with chicken.
No ranch, but we have ranch.
Got a bunch of fries.
Oh,
Ranch. This for you and Jaquela if y'all want ranch.
Y'all boys.
I want blue cheese and ranch.
So open up all the boxes, y'all. I have honey. What's this one?
What's honey barbecue like?
This honey barbecue right here. This habanero. This lemon pepper.
I think that's
That's buffalo.
Hey,
So
jumping out the grease.
okay, so let's dig in. So I'm gonna take a piece of this, y'all. So guys, we new to YouTube. We wanted to start our YouTube, wait till we got everything, and now we're good to go. Mhm.
I'm not sure. Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper, this blue cheese. Ooh, grab the ketchup real quick, really quick. We're gonna ketchup when we dry.
You know they taste like cheddar fries? But like
It's good.
you don't feel them with fries.
I only want to feel like
I'm gonna put them with
it's the
fries.
only real ketchup.
Alright. Yeah. So instead of doing the YouTube with your first video where you just introduce yourself and say follow my page, I decided to do a mukbang with me and my family. It's Tika and the Family. I'm the auntie. Y'all will meet Mama Misa later on, which is the kids' mom, my sister. And you're gonna meet a lot of our family. We do a lot of things, take trips with family. That's why I call it Tika and the Family. The boy,
Stop already.
they play sports all day, football, they train. Jaquela, she cheers, she do track. So we're gonna introduce y'all into a lot. Right now, the outside world is crazy with the coronavirus. So we just go out, get us something to eat, come on in. With the buffalo.
That is hot.
What is it?
It's hot.
That's habanero. You can't hear it?
I don't know what that is.
When we
The
just
habanero is the pepper.
yeah, when we just at Buffalo Wild Wings, she was like, I can handle it. I said, no, only give us 5. She talking about, no, give us 10. Now she talking about, it's too hot.
No, because I said buffalo.
Let him
Not
taste it,
this.
pass it to
Buffalo is right here in your face.
I ain't see it. I thought this was buffalo because it look, you know.
If it's spicier than buffalo, it's habanero or another pepper.
Hold on, I need my blue cheese.
You think that's hot? We gonna get habanero peppers and try it.
I'm talking about. I know something called Devil's Blood. That's how like 3 million Scoville units.
That's the hottest one. Ooh,
It's not hot.
Angela like habanero. He used the sauce. That's the sauce we have in the cabinet, right?
No.
What that is? Oh, that's the
It's a
sriracha.
razzle sauce. No man can go without it.
He likes sriracha.
So I like sriracha.
I don't see the guy is good.
But I remember I tried it on my noodles. It was nasty.
So how come?
I don't know what you missing out.
Chris was the best hot sauce.
What the one that was like regular noodles?
Legendary.
Oh, that's what a salt and vinegar was right there.
I think that's.
Everybody, come on, that takes it everybody.
I ain't touching none of them yet.
Let's taste it.
And the habanero is
Did you
good.
say it on there?
Is it salt?
No, that's not salt.
Oh, what is these? Oh, this is the garlic parmesan.
Look,
Spicy
this got
garlic.
salt and vinegar.
Yeah.
This is salt and vinegar.
And he talking like he not touching it. Let me taste it.
Yeah.
How it taste, Woody?
I think it just tastes like a regular lemon pepper, but
Yeah,
a little bit.
You don't taste the vinegar or nothing on them.
This is
How you want?
Taste it.
That. That lemon pepper.
This is spicy garlic. This ain't buffalo.
No, this garlic parmesan, you asked for those.
I'll ask for the
These
last
spicy
part.
garlic. I
These
knew that
spicy
wasn't
garlic.
good. I knew it wasn't in buffalo. Wow. I mean, buffalo.
Buffalo something in here then.
I think it's this.
Oh,
It's gotta be buffalo.
That's barbecue right now.
Yeah, definitely barbecue the best. One. What's your favorite one so far?
Honey barbecue.
Lemon pepper? What's your favorite, Woody?
But nobody touching lemon pepper. I mean, no. Wingstop, they got the most flavor.
Which one you like? The lemon pepper? Everybody go there for the lemon pepper.
Whatever the fuck. Hey, lemon pepper.
Okay, what's your favorite kind so far? Who? You taste these?
I like the salt and
I
vinegar
don't
one.
like it.
You don't like that one?
Yeah.
It's garlic lemon pepper.
That's garlic parmesan.
Yeah, garlic parmesan. I keep announcing them wrong.
I like the salt and
had that last
vinegar.
time we went to Buffalo.
Yeah, the salt vinegar one's good. There's no taste to it though.
Yeah. And it's not hot.
The fried good too.
Fries, cold.
Oh, I
You know
was
what fries
setting
they
things
taste like?
up.
Who fries they taste like?
Checkers.
Popeye.
I meant, it's checkers or
They
Popeyes.
taste
Nah,
like
not
Popeye.
Popeyes.
Not this, they don't hide something like you're cooking in the
Seasoning.
same
This nasty.
Who had the best fried?
McDonald's.
Chick-fil-A.
Head down. Oh, Chick-fil-A too.
I like Chick-fil-A and McDonald's. I used to like
Chick-fil-A running the race with McDonald's now.
We got the best chicken sandwich. Chick-fil-A.
Chicken sandwich?
Yes. Chick-fil-A.
Popeye.
Chick-fil-A.
Popeye got the best sandwich.
Chick-fil-A.
Popeye's already had the best chicken. They just needed to put it on the sandwich.
Man, no. Chick-fil-A got the best.
Yes, they do. They've been putting
I ain't
chicken on
eat
their
that.
sandwich forever, and people like it too. Before
Hey, but listen. You want to know why Popeye's always going to win in the race? It's
because
just one simple fact.
Put that kicker.
They not open on Sunday.
Oh my god.
You can't get a chicken sandwich every day. At Popeye, you go anytime, any day, you can get you a sandwich.
I don't know, there was killing people over there on the chicken sandwich.
alright, if it was open on Sundays, what would happen? We would have the best chicken sandwich ever.
Y'all want Popeye? Nah, who chicken better overall? Popeye's or Chick-fil-A?
But Chick-fil-A don't sell chicken.
Chick-fil-A don't sell chicken.
They like
They sell
grilled
chicken
chicken.
sandwiches. They
But
got
I don't
grilled
like
chicken.
this.
They got different varieties of chicken. They
No.
got roast chickens. They got all types of chicken, bro.
I want to eat.
Wow, we only got fried chicken, chicken tenders,
And Chick-fil-A really for chicken sandwich.
chicken. So there's no doubt we won.
Popeye's got the best.
KFC got the best biscuit, better than Popeye.
She right about that.
It is.
No, churches.
Churches got some fried biscuits. I ain't gonna lie.
They
Yo.
honey biscuit? Oh my god.
Church did not touch it, no
What?
KFC biscuit.
She right about that. KFC.
Let me
What
try
else
bring
I'm
that
talking
in here.
about? KFC
Yeah,
biscuits.
tell you.
I forgot how they look.
Tell you.
KFC got that like,
It's like a
It's fat.
It's
Yeah.
like a breakfast
and
biscuit.
then you
Then
eat it in
it's
honey.
yeah.
Oh, look.
God.
Woo! I ain't gonna
They don't know what they missing.
good.
They don't know they missing, auntie.
They
Church
don't.
is good. You even gotta add how many days. It's a lot.
I don't even.
Boy, if y'all already ran out of the new one.
Woody ate all the
Salt and
salt and vinegar.
I ain't even know.
Don't touch it.
I ain't know. Now they go.
Look how I eat my wings. I know I'm hungry. I came and going. Man, I'm full.
What's this?
We ate.
I
We
really
ate so much today.
We ate a lot.
Let me tell y'all the story, y'all boys. So we at Wendy's. The lady done messed up our order
Yeah,
$2. We paid for 4 for 4s and stuff. This lady gave us
Biggie bag.
big burgers, all type of stuff.
The lady gave us so much
food
food.
and we
But
didn't even pay for
we
it.
paid that. We paid for the exact price. She just gave us a lot.
Yeah, she just gave us
She
extra
just
because
gave
she
us extra.
messed up. Yeah, like we were so full off of Wendy.
But
Shout out to Wendy. Well,
what y'all think about these breakfast meat?
I ain't tried yet.
We tried.
we couldn't sit in Wendy's because of the virus, the coronavirus. So the only thing you could do is come inside, order, get your food, and go.
Ooh, this is hot. I don't know why I keep eating that. Oh, for real. Until you tried it,
Mm-mm.
it's hot. Until I'm telling you, it's hot.
I know my limit. I know what I can eat and what I can't eat. What's your favorite food, Pooh?
I thought it was like
Fast food.
Food in general. Your favorite food. It should be whether or not
A burger. A nice, healthy American burger.
with some bacon,
With some bacon.
with some pickles.
A bunch of pickles.
A bunch of pickles. He love pickles. What's yours, Antoine?
Hamburger. Bunch of onions, no pickles.
ooh, that almost
I
took me
can't
out.
do that. I can't do too much.
I don't like onions.
Why y'all don't like onions?
I hate them.
They healthy though.
They is, but
When I ate
I
Chipotle,
can eat onions, but you saying bunch.
anything that you cut and then it burn your eyes, and make you cry.
That happened to me one time before that I feel like that's just
What's your favorite food, Jacinda?
I don't even know.
Noodles. This girl can eat this food right now, and him. They can eat this food right now
let it
I can
sit
get
on that
up
for about an hour.
and cook me some noodles. The aroma that floats through the house, everybody antenna just jump on up and just
I
want
could
some
just
noodles.
smell it and be like, I want
And my
some.
sister make the best noodles. Oh my god.
You should really do
I
it. Jazz go
make
tell me
the
some
best
young
noodles.
noodles.
Nah, come on,
Young noodles be
Nah,
soggy.
yeah.
But this boy don't even have no juice in his
Exactly.
noodles. Them
Come
noodles
on,
You
is-
just said it was soggy, then you said it was juice. Soggy, you gotta have some water in it.
She
No.
said no water, no juice.
Woody used to make good noodles.
I make the best noodles in the house.
No, you know his noodles is so soggy. He'll leave them in there for a
I ain't
long
putting the
time while they
noodles.
boiling. Like,
This actually was good. How many chickens we got? We ordered
Until you need to
60
try it.
wings,
They only gave us 45.
45.
So check the little bag.
but we didn't check because we was like ready to go. What you want to check
We
this?
got
Yeah.
1, 2,
It's
3,
hot.
4,
Eat
5,
it.
6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now,
Guess what? They gonna come. I ain't putting no eyeballs, but they gonna come later on today and tear it down. They may be they stomach gonna stay full for a moment. That's it. Spell that moment and that's it.
he missed the whole plate.
We did. That's why they play football.
I'm ready again. Alright, man.
Third time's the charm. So guys, like, subscribe, thumbs up, tell a friend,
Tell auntie the cousin.
Tigger and the family is
And,
back on again.
Can I say something real quick?
And we're...
No, bro. Chill. Let me do something. And our information will be down in the description, down below.
Down below.
And we're out.
That bell.